go.
Kill him right there.
It was my turn to pull up.
Band! We got a band! Alright guys, today is September 24th, second to last day of goose season here in New York. We've been watching this field here for about 3 to 4 days. There's about, we'd say about 200 geese in this hay field. There's not much cut corn, but it's around. We hunted a field yesterday. We shot 30 out of it, so we did pretty decent. So we're setting up the spread right now, and we're gonna see how they finish. We'll catch up with you soon.
What type of spread we setting up here, Colt?
Well, today we got a feed of about 180. Saw them here yesterday. We've been watching them for a few days, and they've been pretty much a uniform U, like exactly a U. But we're doing it a little loose. We've got a few family groups in the middle of the kill hole, and we're gonna give them a few options to land. We're not gonna force them too much, but it's gonna be a wet one. But we're gonna stick it out and put the beat down on them for you. Stay tuned.
Go! Yeah! We got like 6. Go! Yeah!
Bro, my gun didn't go off.
Kill him right there. Oh my God. You ready, boys? Kill him right there.
Oh, what the f, bro? Did you see that?
No, I'll get. Wait.
Kill Mars! Let's go, boy. All right, let's go pick these geese up. We got like 15 dead. Over there. What? Dude, that 5-pack did it perfect. Yeah. I won't. Kill.
3 crips.
That was my turn to pull up.
Band! We got a band!
Oh!
We got a Blaine! Oh, we got a band, boys! Let's go!
Oh, we just had a nice group work in. What do you say about that group, Colt? What do you say about that group?
There's bands!
We got some bands, baby. They're working perfect. Right in the kill hole. Right in the kill hole, floating in.
Logan, go take
Absolutely beautiful.
Let them work. Let him touch. Wait. 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 Wait.
Kill him right there.
Nice shot, Canelo. Let him get touch. Real close. Real close. Real close. Kill him! Oh, I jumped it! Real close.